Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Today we are going to make chocolate bliss ball. Put all the ingredients into the blender and blend very well. First blend oats and dates. And then add some strawberries. Blend again. Now we need to add coconut. And then add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup or honey to sweeten. We need to blend once more, and then we need to take it out on butter paper and make into balls. Now add a drizzle of some melted chocolate if you like to. And then now your strawberry chocolate bliss ball is ready to go. You can enjoy this with your family and you can even give it to your children. Bye!